Hey guys, welcome back to my update video. I will walk through to the updates of my previous project, which in case if you haven't seen, you can click on the link provided in the description. I will also be talking about my new project and its existing and upcoming features. Let's start with Oobabooga. I will walk you through on how to use it as your LLM source instead of betacharacter.oi website. After installing Oobabooga, head inside the folder. After that, open CMD flag text file in Notepad. Write API inside Notepad and save it. Please download your desired models from Hugging Face or any other source and place them inside Model folder. You can find the Model folder by heading inside Text Generation WebUI folder. Also make sure to place your desired character card inside the Characters folder, which is located inside Text Generation WebUI folder. After you have done that, double-click and run Start Windows BAT file. Open the web page and be sure to load your model. Now let's head into the Chatbot folder and open the example NV file in Notepad. Make sure to write the correct Chatbot service, character card name and your name. Rename it as .env and make sure to select Save as Type as all files. Open Vtuber Studio and then double-click to run the startup BAT file. Here is the working demo. Now let's talk about on how to use Voicevox. I would recommend you download Voicevox beforehand. In case you are lazy to do so, I have you covered. But first, make sure you do the necessary changes to the ENV file by changing TTS choice to Voicevox and selecting your desired voice by placing the number. You can check my documentation to where the names of the voices are given. So, if you are a lazy person, just double-click and run the voicevox.bat file. At some point, a line showing VoiceVoxX file is not found or is not an executable file will come. Ignore it and write or speak your chat. After that, it will attempt to download and allow the BAT file to run for some time. Close the file after it shows an error like this. Then run the VoiceVox file again. It should start working as shown.
再び驚きの瞬きをする。
Now let's talk about my new LLM Inference Engine project. It is similar to Oobabooga. But you ask why use this instead of Oobabooga? Well, for the following reasons. First, you can run it on both Google Colab and locally depending on your machine's specs. Second, I am currently working on adding a long-term memory using vector database. Thirdly, I am also adding a feature to help it distinguish between command and normal chat. By using this, I can also give my LLM an access to the internet. Also, I am adding a feature to sentiment analysis function, which can be used to give our VTube avatar a variety of expressions when they are speaking. Currently, it can only be used for simple chatting purposes, but hopefully, I can release these new updates in upcoming month or soon. Now, let's walk you through how to use it locally. First, download the zip file from GitHub using the link given in the description. Unzip it and open the .env in Notepad. Then, correctly write the name of the character card with the correct format at the end. You have to place your character card under the card folder. You can find the folder by heading into Resource folder and then Card folder. After that, return to the main directory and double-click on setup.bat file to start downloading and installing necessary requirements. This process may take some time, so please wait patiently. If all goes well, it should show model download complete and close itself. After that, double-click on the run.bat file. On running, a tab named as Model Configuration and Text Generation Parameter Configuration will open. You can make changes to your liking and close it after saving them. If you don't know anything, then just click on Load Defaults and close it after saving. Now head into the Chatbot folder. Open the .env file and change the Chatbot service to Local LLM, close the file after saving it. Open Vtube Studio. Then double-click on the startup.bat file to get the process starting. In this segment, I will walk you through on how to use the Colab LLM as your LLM source. Head to the GitHub repo, scroll down and open the Colab notebook. Run step 1 and 2. After executing step 2, upload your character card inside the card folder located inside Resource folder. Then open the .env file, which is present inside Data File folder located under Resource. Copy your character card path and paste it in the .env file. Close the .env file after saving it. Now head to the ngrok website. Link will be provided in the description. Create an account or sign in if you already have an account. Copy your auth token and paste it on step 3. After that, run step 4 and 5. At the end of step 5, you will a URL. Copy the URL and paste it in the ngrok URL present in the .env file of your virtual avatar chatbot. Also remember to change the LLM source to Colab LLM. Close it after saving and run the startup.bat file after opening VTube Studio. Here is a working demo. I have added some updates to the Chatbot project on the request of some of my fellow users. Also, if you have any issues or want any feature update, please pull an issue on the respective GitHub repo. It will help me keep track of your requests. Let's talk about on how to use different input mode. For example, to use text as your input mode, open the .env file and change the input mode to text. Save the .env and start running the startup file.
Asterisk smiles. Asterisk, I'm fine with any cafe really, but I've heard that...
Similar, to use speech as your input mode, open the env file, change the input mode to speech and save it. Here is the working demo.
Asterisk smiles widely and claps her hands. Asterisk, yay! Come, let's go then. Asterisk takes your...
That's it, guys. I will be back soon with some new updates. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. That will help me a lot. Also, if you face any issues, pull an issue in the GitHub repo. I will be there to help.